Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 106 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we return to the earth, our foundation, our grounding, our sacred support. This is the energy of stillness, strength, and deep belonging. Let's begin by closing your eyes. And when you are ready, take a slow, deep inhale and gently exhale. Feel the ground beneath you, solid, steady, and holding you. With each breath, imagine roots growing from your body into the earth. Feel yourself anchoring, softening, and settling. Now, see yourself in a quiet grove. Tall trees, rich soil, and deep peace. The earth whispers, "You are safe and you are supported." Now, ask gently, what do I need to ground myself today? Let the answer come to you. Just notice and just receive. Now, breathe in the earth's calm strength and exhale with peace. When you are ready, Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. You are grounded, you are connected, and you are home. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.